Hello and welcome to the official X.Plus educational series. In this video, we will dive into opening a futures trade position on X.Plus. First, your deposited funds on X.Plus should be on the contract account. Now we head on to futures trading panel on X.Plus. In order to access it, please make sure that you have verified your email. Moving on. In this example, we will be trading the Ethereum to USDT pair. We will trade based on a different price than the current market price, so we toggle a new open order. This is going to be a long position, in anticipation of good market performance for Ethereum. For proper risk management, toggle onto the Take Profit and Stop Loss tab to input your target price for profit and stop loss as per your analysis. And now, we set the order. You can see all your orders in the Open Orders panel. Once the price reaches our order price, then the position will be filled. Happy trading, and thank you for watching.